my name is Tanya, and today I will show you what we learned at Sekolah Lentera Kasih. Interested in music? We have awesome bands, produce amazing school plays, and learn so many instruments. Want to be an entrepreneur? We've got Commerce Week, Student Council, project-based learning, and training to sharpen your leadership skills. Are you into tech? We've got 3D printing, computer programming, and a really cool makerspace. At SLK, we learn to be citizens of the world, exposed to various cultures. At Sekolah Lentera Kasih, we learn so many things to help find our interests for the future. With fun and caring teachers guiding us to help build good character, we believe this is the place we can grow and succeed. Join us for a better future.